East London, 1888. In the bustling Bryant May match factory in Bow, hundreds of teenage girls worked long hours for modest pay, crafting the matches that lit homes across Britain. But behind the scenes, a hidden danger lurked: exposure to white phosphorus, which posed serious health risks. These young women, some as young as 14, started at dawn and worked late into the evening. They dipped wood into phosphorus paste, boxed matches, and kept production flowing. The factory was a community of sorts, girls chatting and supporting each other. However, the white phosphorus used in lucifer matches released toxic vapors. This led to a severe condition known as phossy jaw, also known as phosphorus necrosis of the jaw. It often began with painful toothaches and swollen gums, progressing to abscesses, bone damage, facial disfigurement, and, in serious cases, long-term health complications. The risks were well known, yet safer alternatives like red phosphorus existed but were more expensive. Concerns over pay, fines, long hours, and these health risks grew. Social reformer Annie Besant published a newspaper article exposing the harsh conditions and the dangers of phosphorus, highlighting the girls' dedication amid the risks. This story spread quickly, bringing public attention to phossy jaw and inspiring the workers to demand change. In July 1888, after a worker was unfairly dismissed, over 1,400 girls walked out in a peaceful strike. They marched through East London with pride, holding signs protesting low pay, unfair fines, and the health dangers of phosphorus. London was amazed as these young women united, picketing the factory and rallying support for safer working conditions. Against great odds, they succeeded in just weeks. The company abolished fines, improved pay and terms, and provided separate eating areas away from phosphorus, reducing exposure risks. This triumph raised awareness about phossy jaw, inspired workers across Britain, and helped spark the Maudit earned labor movement, eventually leading to bans on white phosphorus. These brave match girls turned personal risk into collective change, proving unity can overcome even hidden dangers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more untold stories of Victorian heroes.